newscast, a crane is set to get a tugboat out of the Tennessee River after it partially sunk yesterday near McFarland Park, spilling thousands of gallons of fuel into the river near the O'Neill Bridge. That's according to Florence Lauderdale County Emergency Management Director George Grabrian. He says cleanup efforts are top priority today, adding it's a concern since 3,000 to 5,000 gallons of diesel were emptied into the water. But he says it's safe for boaters to move in and out of the Florence Harbor. When it comes to swimming, though, Grabrian has different advice.
The recreational public just needs to be careful when they're down here. There'll be some activity moving around. Just use good care and caution, and the river will still be here a few days from now. Feel free to come back once everything's cleared up.
The beach near the harbor is blocked off with caution tape. Grabrian says this is an unusual event for the EMA. The Alabama Department of Environmental Management is on site and advising the tugboat owner and contractor on how to move forward from here. Authorities are still investigating how the boat partially sunk yesterday morning.